Now the first thing we're going to do is to create some variables. The first one is going to be the speed. So we're going to say var, which is a keyword for the variable, and then the variable name, which is going to be the speed, and followed by a colon, the type of the variable, the float, and then simply the initialization, which is going to be 20. This variable is not editable through the inspector. To do that, we are going to come to the start of this line and I'm going to simply say add export. So this export is an annotation that lets you export your variables to the inspector. So if I click this player root node, I can see the speed variable shown in the inspector, and I can edit this, and this value will override this one over here. Let's declare some more variables. I'm going to declare one gravity, and now I'm going to name this variable jump force. Okay, now we have created these three variables, but let's declare a function which is a built-in function. That is the func process. The process function runs every frame and it stops when you stop the game or process. So in this function, I'm going to print hello just to demonstrate how this function works. So if I run the game now, you'll see that hello keeps printing again and again until I stop the game. Now there is another function which is the func ready, which runs only once when the game starts. So if I copy this one over to this and let's delete this one, and if I run this game, the hello will be printed only once. We're going to create the movement in the process function. The way our movement is going to work is pretty simple. The player is going to be moving in the left and right direction, and it can jump, but the player will not be moving in the forward direction, because we're going to create an illusion of moving the obstacles toward the player.